Hey, 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 makeup lovers. How is everybody today? We are going to do the eyes today. So let's do some real practical makeup tips for our eyes. I've already gone in and treated my skin with my morning skincare regimen. That is the most important thing that you can do for your face. If you never put 1 ounce of makeup on, treat your skin. So I'm using the Anew Ultimate line. This is Korean skincare meets American skincare, and bam, natural ingredients, and I'm seeing such a difference in my complexion, in my skin smoothness, and even some firming and tightness. Everybody loves a little tighter skin. So that's what I'm doing, my eye serum, my face serum, and my day cream, and it is making a difference. We used VDL Lumilayer Primer to prime, and already have that Cashmere Complexion foundation on in shade Buttercream. So let's get to the eyes, because this is my favorite part of doing a makeup tutorial. And we're going to keep it simple this morning. We're going to do a 4-step Aqua that is going to give us everything that we need and help us to have those eyes that people are talking about, because basically that's all you can see behind the mask, right? So we want to give them those beautiful eyes. So let's do our brows first, because you want to make sure that you have perfect brows to frame your face. It's kind of like putting a picture frame on a wall without, or a picture on the wall without a picture frame. You have to have perfect eyebrows. I'm using Tattoo Station in shade Brown eye pencil because it stays with me through a long day of work and kids and house and all the things that we do. And I'm just going about and filling in the natural line of my brow. Not really adding anything, no caterpillar eyes here. Real tips for real women. And just filling that in. There we go. We went a little bit outside the bounds. And those brows are ready to go. They're fierce. Okay, so Chocolate Sensation Aqua is one of my favorite Aquas. It for sure does all the steps I need, but we better put some concealer on first. We forgot. Okay. I'm going to put a dab here and a dab here. This is going to give a base for your eyeshadow to stick to. Of course, primers work great, but I'm a fan of the concealer on the eyelid. I definitely think it gives me a little bit better stick, and it just makes my eye makeup look so flawless. Okay, so we're patting that in with the ring finger, bringing it out just a little bit to brighten the eye area. Yes, girl. Yes. We're going to take some Magix dust and do a little bit of a set under those eyes, because we want our eyes to pop. We want to be like, yes, we're here. So Magix dust is my magic. Going to pat it in. A little bit here. And a little bit there. Yes. I'm going to take the rest and set the rest of my makeup. I'm not going to disturb that under eye area, because after we do our under eye makeup, I'm going to go back and I'm going to release that powder. Okay, so now let's get into that Chocolate Sensations. Hey girl, how are you? Good to see you. Okay, we're going to go in first with one. This is simple, real life, simple eyeshadow tips. Not a drama mama, just a basic eye look for those busy days when you just want a little extra pop. Okay, we are covered with one. Good morning, I hope you're doing good. Are you an eye girl? Because that's all you can see with the mask. So are you one that wants to have those beautiful eyes? We're going in with 2 now, and we're going to work our crease and work it down into just doing an arch. And you want a great blending brush for this. If you have the perfect brush, this will go on flawlessly. I love about the palettes that they have great pigmentation. They really stay with you all day long, and they give you that beautiful seamless look. Okay, let's go in now with 3. We're going to work it down here at the bottom, and I'm going to bring it up to that crease and blend. Just working it back and forth, blending, blending, blending. Yes. Can you see a difference from this side to this side? Ooh. Okay. 3. Blending it in, bringing it up. I do not like to have like distinct areas of different color. I like for my colors to blend together and work together and to complement each other. Okay, now 4. We're going to just pull a little bit here at the wing. Let's give us a little drama at the end. For a little bit of boldness. Bam! Girl is ready to rock. Yes. Okay, let's line. SuperExtend liquid liner is the easiest liquid liner I have ever worked with. It goes on so smoothly with just the swap of a hand. There we go. 1 eye lined, 1 to go. Can you already see the dramatic difference? Like my eyes are popping. So even if people can't see your smile, they can still see your smile in your eyes. And that is why I put so much focus on having those beautiful eyes. Okay, we have let that eyeshadow set. So before we go with mascara, we're just going to wipe that Magix dust away. There we go. Can you see how bright under eye is? Perfect. We're going to curl our lashes. And now for the magic of it all. Love waterproof mascara. This mascara has little heart-shaped fibers that just love on your lashes and make them lengthen, explode with volume, and love on them all day long. You are not going to have any smudgy eyes with this. It has the little curved arch, so you can really get down into the root and build it up. This formula is a dream. Okay. I'm going to do 1 eye completely, and I'm going to let you guys look. And you're going to be like, whoa, girl, what did you do? Check it out. It is love for your lashes, like a dream. Okay, let's go in over here. I'm going down to that root, and I am bringing it out. Yes. Just making sure to get the entire lash covered. Do you make funny faces when you do your mascara too? Love that mascara. It really brings out, it does. It's just like simply a hug for your lashes. It's crazy. Oh, the puppies. They are going wild about something this morning. Okay, look at that. Look at those lashes. Girl, you could rock this all day long. Okay, we are going to use a little textured cushion on the cheeks. I am in love with Queen Carnation blush. So just like that, makes your eyelashes pop and explode, this blush is going to do the same thing because it has a secret ingredient, hyaluronic acid. Yes. So to make those eyes really pop, you want to sculpt those cheeks and make sure that they have the perfect addition of color on them. And then they are going to do all the things that you want them to do. Love highlighter, again, has that secret ingredient of hyaluronic acid, and it gives your cheeks those little extra pops. So I'm going right above where I did my blush. And I love these cushions. They hold it in and keep it fresh. Just going where the sun shines. What about that glow? Ooh, girl, you are glowing this morning. Okay, we are gonna finish off today with a little Mad Respect. Mattaitude's Respect is one of my favorite lipsticks because it stays with me all day. And when I'm going with a bold eye, I want to go with a little subtle lip. All right, we are ready to attack the day. Let's go, girls. Let's do this. If you want to shop for any of these products, you can do so with my link in my bio or your avon.com/jwoolsey, or message me if you need help color matching or perfect shades for your eyes. So thank you for helping me get the eyes ready to go today. Have a beautiful day and mask up. We'll see you guys later. Bye.